Hi Sean, how are you today?
Good.
Alright, so we are here at TPS with Sean at Nanlite booth. Can you tell me about this newly released FC-120C?
So here is the new lights we just came out for this year, FC-120C.
Yeah.
So full color RGB cop lights, 120 watt,
Okay.
LED effects, and
Yeah.
also you can have wireless control. You can use Nanlite app to control that. Full color 120 watts, and you can also share with all the rest of the FM mounts accessories from Nanlite.
Okay.
But also you have the option to use a power mount adapter to use rest of the power mount modifiers.
So is it a standard mini adapter, or
Yes.
so I can change? I can use a different standard mini adapter, or it has to be specific to Nanlite?
So you have to be specific for that one. So
Right.
FM mount is from Nanlite. Yeah.
All right. What's the build quality of this light?
So it's very rigid build quality and also similar rigid quality compared to further range and also high-end Nanlite range.
All right. Does it have CRMX and DMX control?
You have the DMX here, DMX in the lights, but you need to have that more converters convert to standard DMX in and out because that's also the loss of space. But it's not CRMX built-in. However, you have the Bluetooth built-in and 2.4 gigabytes built-in, so you still have the ability to wireless control the lights.
That's really cool. Can this be powered via V-mount or just?
Yeah, so you can power with V-mount batteries, and also you can see you have a Type-C here.
So
you can
power-
also use a PD power bank to power the lights.
With PD powering, do I get full 120 watts?
Yeah, so it depends on the cable how much power joys can go, and also depends on the power outputs on the PD power bank. So if it's more than 150 watt power bank, you can get 100% output with the power bank.
I'm believing this has green magenta correction on this light.
Yes, you still have the green and magenta adjustments, which is the biggest feature from further range.
Yeah.
But as it's a color light and we have the color chip in it, so you also have the ability to do green magenta adjustments.
So what's the CCC range and the power of the light?
So it's still from 2500 Kelvin up
Okay.
to 7500 Kelvin. So the price point is 239 quid plus VAT.
And it's available to order now.
Yes, they are available to order and shipping now.
All right, thank you very much, Sean.
Thank you.
Thank you.